Welcome to Ethical Word Education. In this session, we will be learning and how to change the color of the LED. For this, let us start by clicking on this Create New Circuit and we'll list the components required for this. As we are designing with the help of the Arduino as usual, so we will be selecting an Arduino board. Yes. So let me remove this. And for this changing color system, all we need is the RGB. So let us take an RGB LED. Yes. So this is an RGB. So it stands for the red, green, and blue. So these are the primary colors. By using of these primary colors, we can apply any of the color. So here we can observe there is a cathode. So this cathode will be connected to the ground of the Arduino board, and remaining terminals is the red, blue, and green. So these colors have been connected to the resistor. Each of the terminal blocks are connected to the resistor. That is why I'm taking a 3 resistor for these 3 terminals. Let me connect these 3 terminals. And the output of these 3 terminals will be connecting to the output pins of the Arduino board, any of the Arduino board. Let me connect the terminal 1 to this pin number 10, pin number 9, and this is a red, pin number 11. That's it. So as I said, this red, blue, and green, these are the primary colors. By using this primary colors, we can apply any of the colors. So let's begin the code. That this is how the circuit looks like. Let me design from the beginning. These are the previous codes blocks. So the first thing is in the output, we need to check on the RGB LEDs name series wise. So here we can observe that set RGB LED in pin numbers. We can directly drag this and place into this place. And here the pin numbers, as these red, blue, and green have been connected to these 3 pins 11, 10, and 9. So let me select from the drop down as 11, 10, and 9. This is the color. So what this line tells is that first thing, the first time, it must be in the red color. After that, what we can do is we can wait for some time. Let us give some delay over here, such as 3 seconds. Wait for 3 seconds and it has to change some other color. So what we do is we'll make like red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, or red, green, any color. So let me take this on this. We need to take an RGB LED and the same pin numbers. We have to connect it 9. So here, as it was already in the red color, so no problem. And now if you want to change the color, just click on this button, and here you can see there is a mixture of the primary colors of RGB. So let me take as a green, and again I have to wait for some time. Anytime you can give as 2 seconds or 3 seconds, anything is fine. Then output, so let me give as red itself. Just we need to select the pin numbers over here. Wait. Here, let me give 2 seconds. output. Here again green. Yes, delay 2 seconds. 11. This is the 10. This is the 9. Let it be red. So that this LED has to blink like red, green, red, green, red. Let me change this color. Here. We'll make it as purple. Then delay. Why delay? It has to repeat. It has to start from the beginning. So here it is 1 second. Let me give as a 2 seconds. Let me give as a 5 seconds. Purple. Purple is for 5 seconds. So this is how the code looks like. The blocks look like. So let us start the program. You can see the timings over here displayed. Exactly 3 seconds, it will change the color. Red, and again go to green, then red, purple at the last. Yes, this is a purple. It will wait for 5 seconds. And then it go back to the red color. Green, yes. So that is how it works. The RGB LED is